In the browser version of Kurzweil, the header and footer editor lets you mark headers and footers so that Kurzweil doesn't read them. To mark your headers and footers, you'll want to navigate to the left menu, select Tools, and from this drop down menu, you'll want to select the yellow pencil icon, which is your zone editor. From here on the right side, a little menu will appear. And from here, you'll want to navigate to the header/footer tab. And at this point, you'll want to decide if you want the headers and footers that you're marking to apply to all the pages on the document or just this one specific page. We recommend having this selected to apply to all pages so that this toggle switch is green, just because that's less work you need to do in the end. Once you have decided whether or not you want it to apply to all pages, you'll select the Mark Header/Footer button. And from here, there will be a little crosshair that appears next to your mouse. At this point, you can go ahead and click and drag to mark where you want to mark your headers and footers. An orange box with stripes will appear if this is applying to all pages. If it is not applying to all pages, it will be just a plain orange box. Once you've marked your area, you can go ahead and click and drag on the side of the box in order to change its positioning, or you can also change its shape as well. Once you have decided where you want your header and footers to be, you can then go ahead and select Save, and then it will ask you if you want it to apply to all pages. And I'll say, yes, I do want it to apply to all the document when I made those adjustments. And then at this point, you can go ahead and exit out of the zone editor. You'll want to save your changes. And then once it is done saving those changes, you can then start reading in Kurzweil, and it will skip those headers and footers that you've marked on every single page.